Hello, hello, hello. It's your girl, twalacole, aka Sister Cole. And how are my wonderful, highly blessed, and favored people doing? I hope you guys are doing wonderful this Tuesday evening. And you know what I need you to do? What do I need you to do? I need you to like, share, comment, and watch. You guys hear me? Watch the video, okay? Now, don't give me no little 1 minute because that ain't watching. I need you to watch the video, okay? And please give me a thumbs up. Come on now. A thumbs up. When you do these wonderful things, you are helping me with my channel. And I'm going to thank you in advance that you guys are going to like, share, comment, leave a thumbs up. All right? Let's get into it, hunty. All right, today, I'm not going to be long before you guys, but today I have an unboxing. Yay! And the crowd goes wild. All right. Now, I am going to open it with you, okay? I ain't going to hold you. My husband peeked in it before I got home. Okay, but all he did was just open this first little flap. So I have not taken it out of the box. Neither did he. So you're going to open it. We're going to open it together. What I have here is a new bag, okay, from Brandon Blackwood. Brandon Blackwood. He is a black designer from Brooklyn, up and coming. He's doing really well. Check him out. I absolutely love his bags. They are awesome. They are very well made, honey. Make no mistake about it. His bags are very, very, very well made. Check him out. You guys will find it. I absolutely love his bag. So this is how it came in a white box. And it has Brandon Blackwood, New York. I absolutely love his packaging because it is classy, it is simple, it is absolutely gorgeous, honey. Gorgeous. I want you guys, come on, let's just look at the box. Come on now. Come on. Look at the box. Beautiful. It is the inside. Look at that beautiful black. And on the inside, it has his name, Brandon Blackwood, and it has New York. So he plays with that black and white. So you can already tell his bags are bad because his boxing, look, his boxing is just awesome. I love the boxing for me. Okay, and I got this bag on sale. This is called the Mini Kendrick Trunk. The Mini Kendrick Trunk. The color is called Black Bandana. And this is the premium grain textured vegan leather. Come on, baby, get into it. Get all the way into it, honey. Then he gives you this cute little card or envelope, and it says Brandon Blackwood, New York. Again, very simplistic, black and white. Then you pull out his card, and he has his handwritten, mass production of his handwritten notes. How personable is that? Come on, we love that. And it says, thank you for your purchase. Enjoy your new, and I do not understand his writing. Oh, your new piece. And it says, oh, I can't wait until you style it or something like that. Can't wait for you to style it. And then it has XOXO Brandon. Yes. Okay. Okay. I love the script writing to where you can't hardly read it. Okay. I love that for me too. All right. Oh, here we go. Here we go, darling. All right, before I take out the bag, this is the bottom piece. Just look at that. The bottom is also, come on, you have to love the boxing. You have to love the boxing. And then it's in this bag. Ooh, it feels, ooh, so cushiony. All right. And the bag also has Brandon Blackwood, New York. All right, drum roll. Drum roll. Yo, when I saw this, I had to treat myself to this gorgeous bag. Come on now. Come on, you guys. Look at this. How cute is this? It has like that paisley design and it's black and white. It's like a little trunk. You see, guys see it? It has like the little handles. The handles are also, I ain't gonna take it all the way off because I don't feel like doing it. But it's also black and white, just like the bag. And then see how it's a little square, like a little trunk. Just like the description says, it's a trunk. All right. And let's see, I'm gonna open it. I love this. Can you imagine what I can do with this? You can wear it with all black. You can wear it with, you could do a pop red somewhere. Your outfit could have a pop red. You know what I'm saying? Like, what can, I don't even, I'm going to style the bag for you guys. I mean, not tonight because of Sister Tide, but I'm going to style it. And this is so you got the hand carrying strap. And then inside of the bag, and this strap right here is also black and white with the paisley design. So it can also become like a crossbody, okay? And it's tight. It doesn't really open up that far. You guys see? Because it's made to be cute, honey. Cute. Not really practical, but cute. It is made to make your outfit pop. I believe I could get my phone in there. My phone, a card, a lip gloss, everything I would need for a little date or going out. That's all you need. Your comb, your credit card, your money, and a lip gloss, lipstick. That's all you need. Yes, that is all you need. This is absolutely me. This bag is absolutely me. Brandon Blackwood, the trunk bag. Let's see. Let's get the name of it. The Kendrick Mini. Yes, the Mini Kendrick trunk. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. Can you imagine on a date night or you with your friends and you got your, your cute little outfit on and then boom, you just got this. And you're just walking and your outfit is just, just oh so nice and the bag is just popping. Yes, honey. Can we just get into it? All right. All right, let me show you one other one. All right, so this is, I purchased this Brandon Blackwood later last year. I don't remember. Around, I don't know, October, maybe, something like that. So this is the first Brandon Blackwood bag that I had purchased. And this bag is also cute. Came in the same packaging, the same card, just like the one I just showed you guys. And this one here is also a mini bag. And I've done pictures with this like on my Instagram and stuff. If you know my Instagram, Miss Thins, MSTHINZ1. This, I've styled it with outfits. This is so cute. His bag, like I told you, Brandon's bags are very well made, honey. And this is what they look like. I love this bag because this color goes with so many things. I can actually carry this bag in the winter. I can carry it in the summer. But see, it's very well made. I absolutely love this bag. So I love mini. There's more times I like big bags, but I like mini bags. So this one also comes with a strap and it can become a crossbody as well. But these bags, I'm telling you, the stitching, everything is on point. The stitching is on point. Everything about his bags are on point. You see that, honey? You don't see no strings hanging off. You know, no. You don't see none. This is it's beautiful, excellent quality. This young man is gonna go far. He's already doing great. I mean, everybody's buying his bags. Trust me, everybody is buying his bag. See the little zipper? It unzips. I guess maybe I don't know if to loosen up a little bit. I don't know, or just maybe just the design, just for design. I don't think the zipper serves any purpose. And look at the little, see the little studs on the bottom? Gorgeous, gorgeous. Absolutely love this for me. So these are some nice bags. If you guys was, if you was watching my chat with me, I was talking about buying myself a luxury bag. These are very nice bag brand. He's up and coming. But you know, I was talking about getting myself a luxury bag, and I'm still thinking about it. You know, because I feel like you only live once. So I'm thinking about it. Either a Louis Vuitton or maybe a Fendi. I really love Fendi. I think Fendi is more, I feel like Fendi is more me. You know, it's just so stylish and chic. Stylish and chic. That's how I feel about Fendi. Yeah, so this is yep, so that's my Brandon Blackwood collection. I ain't gonna hold you. I'm probably gonna get some more bags and stuff from him because his bags are very well made and I love them. So that's it with my boxing. That's it with my boxing. Okay, you guys let me know. Let me know, what did you think about the bags? You got one? If you do, what kind do you have? Leave a comment. Let Sister Cole know that she is talking to somebody, okay? And I need you to remember, you are blessed and highly favored. Mwah!